So let's just say you already converted ability icons SVG into Flash project, and file, that project contains a couple of movie clips. One which stores icons for spells or abilities, right? Another for passive skills. So in order to, for example, add new passive icon, the icon for your passive skill, you need to copy original movie clip, create a new project, preferably keep the same properties as original SVG files with following properties, except for background. You can do whatever background you want to. Okay, we create a new project. Then you passed the movie clip with icons of passive skills. Then we would like to remove the placeholder frames, the frame for the placeholder icon, and you would want to keep one frame. Like this, I'm holding shift in order to select all of these frames and remove them. So alright, in order to game to recognize the icon for your passive skill, you need to go to labels layer, you need to go to or create a label, and then you give the name of that frame of your passive. So my passive skill, right? And you'll probably want to keep the same same following structure of the original movie clip. So you want to draw on layer 8, for example, like this curse combo. Alright. So in order to, okay, you drew, you gave the name. So in order to game to add, instead of overwriting original movie clip, you want to add your own frame into that original movie clip. In order to do that, you go to movie clip properties and then type this, type underscore append underscore before original movie clip name into class field. Click OK. Then you want to turn your Flash project back into SVG file. So it's not necessary for the icons, but you would want to disable sticks mode here, so the Flash would error about some undefined methods and etc. Click OK, and then you go to settings, disable HTML wrapper, you don't want that, disable compress movie. Then you want to type the name of your SVG file, click OK, publish OK, whatever. As a result, and for example, how it's supposed to look like, I had a skill girl dinner, right? Like this. So you want something like this. Yeah, I forgot to move all the frames for the like this append more passive icon, which has labeled frame with the name of my skill and drawing. Wonderful. So you draw your compiled SVG file into SVG's project in the SVG folder. Then, yeah, like this, and then you create SVG list colon append, which then you type game and then the name of your SVG file. That's it.